Hello, we are the Plainzer team, and in this video, we'll walk you through how to start your new Plainzer account step by step so you could start tracking your dividends right away. Whether you are new to dividend investing or already using other tools, you'll see how easy it is to get started with the Plainzer Dividend Tracker. So let's start. Let's create our first portfolio and specify the portfolio name. You could also provide information about estimated dividend tax rate. This field is optional, but our system will use it to calculate net and gross amounts for future dividend payouts. It's important to mention that currently we support only US stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds, and you could create more portfolios later. As soon as portfolio is created, we need to create our first transaction. We need to specify a ticker name. I will use a Realty Income Corporation, number of shares, cost per share, and the trade date. As soon as transaction is created, you'll receive a first analytics on your dashboard, information about market value, unrealized gain, annual income, portfolio yield, and yield on cost. Here you'll see a list of holdings, with transactions, upcoming dividends for the next 12 months, ticker events, allocation breakdowns, and powerful insights. If you want to access past dividend payouts, you need to subscribe for one of our plans. Our plans are super flexible, which starts from $6 per month, or you could also stay on the free tier, which allows you to have one portfolio, one watch list, 10 holdings, and 50 transactions. Let's go back to the dashboard and try to import transactions in a different way. We need to select our brokerage, upload file, and our system will automatically parse all transactions from your CSV file, and then save it. If you don't have an access to the whole transaction history with the trade dates, you have an option to import holdings. We support custom template and several popular brokerages. The idea of the template is that you provide only ticker, quantity, and cost basis. And after this one, you upload in file and you'll see information on your dashboard. And that's it. Your Plainzer account is ready to go. Now you can easily monitor your dividend income, upcoming payouts, and portfolio growth all in one place. If you haven't tried it yet, create your account today at plainzer.com and see how simple dividend tracking can be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.